Straight probe calibration. Install the probe according to the video. Long press to power on. When a colored DAC curve appears, we need to set it to remove. Use the PUG up and PDN buttons to navigate to the side function page until DAC appears. Press the button below DAC until DAC mode off appears in the upper right corner, and then use the PUG up and PDN buttons to switch to basic interface. Press the button below probe. Adjust the setting according to the probe. The rest will remain unchanged for the time being. Switch to Cal interface. This test block is used as an example. The thickness of the test block is 110 millimeters. Set the value of S-REF1 to 110 millimeters. Press plus button to adjust the value. Back to basic interface, adjust the range value as at least twice that of S-REF1. Now we put the probe on the test piece. When there is high waveform on the interface, press the dB to shorten the wave. Generally, we need to adjust the waveform height to 60/80 of the overall screen. And then we switch to Cal interface and choose a start to move the red line to the first wave. And then press the button behind Cal. Press plus, the number under Cal turn to 1. And then press the button besides S-REF1. The interface shows S-REF2. Then select a start. Press plus to move the gate red line. Adjust the gate to capture the second echo. When there is red dot on the waveform, we select Cal. And then press plus. Calibration is finished. Now we can check that when the gate is on the second wave, it shows 220.0 mm. Move the gate to the first wave, it shows 110.0 mm. The velocity is 5,874, around 5,900. Calibration is finished. AVG curve plotting. Now we will create the DAC or TCG calibration curve for the straight beam probe. Use the PUG up and PDN buttons to navigate to the side function page until AVG appears. Press plus to turn on the AVG. Press plus one more time to change to 3 and plot. Set ref curve as 2.0 millimeters. And then test this workpiece. 2.0 millimeters bottom defect located here. Press dB plus to enlarge the waveform. Adjust the settings until the waveform reaches 20% of the screen height. The aperture is 2.0 millimeters. Select plot and here will shows a curve. Here shows 2.0 millimeters flaw.